Hi, my name is Charles, and in this short but revealing presentation, I'm going to share with you my personal fight with Bruxism. Listen carefully because my story is probably a lot like yours. Please note this presentation will not be online forever, so please watch it all while you can. Nighttime teeth grinding or clenching, called Bruxism, is a very serious disorder that affects millions of people. Left untreated, Bruxism can seriously destroy what's left of your teeth. Do you suffer from any of these symptoms? Painful teeth in the morning, your jaw hurts in the morning, you feel pain around your temples when eating, your teeth are flat and worn away, you have unexplained chips on your teeth are sensitive to cold or citrus, you have constant headaches, you constantly wake up during the night for no apparent reason. If you suffer from any of these symptoms, you may be damaging your teeth every night, over and over again. How do I know this? I've been there and done it. Here's my personal and true story. Throughout my childhood, I would grind my teeth at night. By the time I was 9, you could easily notice that my teeth were flat, as if they were filed down. At 12 years old, my parents finally found a dentist who understood the damage I was causing to myself. The dentist explained to me that it was called Bruxism, and he helped me understand why it was so important to stop. I was fitted with a $500 night guard to protect my teeth while I sleep. I really hated sleeping with this thing in my mouth. It was just so uncomfortable. After a week, I could tell that I was still grinding my teeth while wearing this device because I could see dents and grind marks on the night guard. Then one day while on a camping trip, I lost it, and I was actually scared to sleep. I was so worried about flattening my teeth further or, even worse, cracking a tooth. So my parents bought a sports mouth guard, the thick rubber ones, to get me through the next few days. Guess how long that lasted? 1 night. It seemed like my teeth had a mind of their own. I woke up the next morning and was completely horrified to see the condition of this brand new mouth guard. I had completely chewed it up. It's true, holes and all, right through the rubber. I mean, think about it. Football players routinely wear these mouth guards to protect their teeth from 300-pound backers, and I had chewed through it in 1 night. I couldn't believe how hard I grinded my teeth. It really freaked me out. Going forward 14 years, I'd been through 6 expensive night guards at $500 each, put up with the saw jaw muscles and ongoing headaches. This is when I realized I had to do something to stop my teeth grinding. So I began on a health-conscious journey and visited every natural healing professional I could think of that might be able to help me. I went to an acupuncturist. No improvement. I tried hypnotherapy. No improvement. I saw a craniologist. No improvement. I spoke with doctors and dentists, and even they couldn't help me. I wasted thousands of dollars on ridiculous remedies that did absolutely nothing to stop my teeth grinding, not to mention all of the time I spent driving to and from the clinics, sitting in waiting rooms, and losing sleep over my problem. But after all of this disappointment, I didn't give up. Do you know why? Because I knew there had to be a reason why I was grinding my teeth at night, and I just had to figure it out. Why was I grinding my teeth at night? Some of my friends said I was probably stressed, but that made no sense to me. I'd been grinding and clenching my teeth since I was a child. I didn't even know what stress was when I was 8 or 9 years old. Heck, my biggest problem was whether the kid next door would be able to come outside and play catch. Some of my coworkers said my job was causing me to grind and clench my teeth. I beg to differ. I find my job relaxing, and I'm a very laid-back person in general. Stress is definitely not the cause. One dentist thought the problem was malocclusion, which means the way my top and bottom jaw lines up, but this was also wrong. X-ray showed my jaw alignment was spot on. When I realized nobody could help me, I decided to help myself. I began testing myself to find out what helped and what didn't. It took me a few months to perform the tests on myself because I let each test go for a few days to see more accurate results. And you know what? By making some simple life changes and performing daily 2-minute exercises, I saw dramatic improvement. I discovered there is a way to stop grinding teeth at night. Finally, my quest was over. And here's what I found out. My teeth don't hurt when I wake up. My jaw feels relaxed and doesn't hurt anymore. I have far less headaches. I get a much better sleep. I am less tired during the day. My teeth are much less sensitive to cold, hot, and citrus. Now I have the confidence to sleep without a mouth guard. And best of all, my success came from just changing a few life habits and doing a few daily exercises. So let me ask you, do you want to stop grinding your teeth at night? Do you want to keep your natural teeth forever without resorting to a night guard every time you go to bed? Because the truth is, you really can stop grinding your teeth while you sleep. All you need to know is my weird little tips, exercises, and small life changes. Introducing my all-new program, The Truth About Bruxism. My program had been designed to stop all types of teeth grinders, ranging from simple stress-related grinding to the most advanced teeth grinders who have had this disorder their whole life, like me. With the Truth About Bruxism program, you will get everything you need to stop grinding your teeth. Take a look below at just a few of the things you are about to learn. What's the real cause of bruxism? See pages 9 through 11. Are you sleeping in the correct position? Probably not. Refer to page 12. Herbal remedies. Do they even work? Find out at page 25. Discover the 3 important supplements you should be taking. Page 25. Learn the press clench exercise. You need this one. Page 27. Learn the one technique that's absolutely guaranteed to stop teeth grinding while you sleep. Discover this technique at page 29. Plus more exercises and information that you need to know if you really want to stop grinding your teeth. You will also get unlimited access to the members area and all future updates for life. And no matter who you are, how advanced your bruxism is, or how much pain you're in right at this very moment, I can help you. My program is suited to anyone with bruxism and can help you stop grinding and clenching your teeth at night. Here are some heartfelt testimonials from just a few of the people that I've helped. The first one is from Daniel and Nicole Foreman in Albany, and it reads, I have been searching for a natural cure like this for ages. I'm glad I found your website. In the past, I had resorted to using muscle-relaxing drugs to help stop my grinding, but they did not work as well as I had hoped. I also didn't want to be taking drugs every night before bed. Who knows what that could do to me? Anyway, I'm happy to report that your program has stopped my teeth grinding 100%. Last week was the first time in 13 years I slept without a night guard. It felt weird at first, but now I know what I was missing out on. Thank you so much for helping me out. Here's a comment from Vanessa. Hi, Charlie. Just letting you know I loved your ideas. I've been on your program for a week now, and I am definitely noticing how relaxed my jaw feels in the morning. I used to be a big clencher when I slept, but now I feel more relaxed in the face and can tell I'm not clenching anywhere near as hard. And one more from Tony in Australia. I thought I would give you my report and let you know how I went with your program. All I can say is, wow. After just 4 days, my whole jaw just feels completely different. When I eat, my jaw is even clicking less. I don't know if this was meant to happen, but I'm loving it either way. My teeth grinding has also reduced drastically. I love the fact that I'm not going to ruin my teeth from a bad habit like bruxism. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to put an end to nighttime teeth grinding? Every time you go to sleep, you are damaging your teeth. Don't let it happen for one more night. Your teeth are precious. When they're gone, that's it. They're not going to grow back. You'll spend the rest of your days in the dentist chair spending thousands of dollars to fix problems that could be solved right now, today. There's no better time to get started with my program. The sooner you start, the more likely you are to keep your teeth from grinding flat. Even if you wear a night guard, I'm sorry to tell you, you're still doing damage to your jaw, and you're still going to get associated jaw pain, headaches, disturbed sleep, and many other problems. How much would you pay to stop your teeth grinding right now? Think about it. A night guard costs $500, and with this, you're still going to have problems. So if you could stop your teeth grinding right now, would you pay $500? Many people probably would. But don't worry, the Truth About Bruxism program doesn't cost anywhere near that. You won't even pay $150. For a short time only, you can get the Truth About Bruxism program for just $37. When you consider the cost of a night guard or the cost of all the dental work you're going to need if you continue to grind your teeth, $37 is an absolute steal. Plus, if you order right now, I'm going to throw in my fast track plans. There are 2 different plans designed for different levels of bruxism. Level 1 is for the stress-related teeth grinders. Level 2 is for long-term teeth grinders. Are you ready to get started and finally stop grinding your teeth? Click the orange Add to Cart button below this video to get started right now. By the way, if you're still not sure whether my program is the answer for you, consider this. Dental professionals estimate more than 20% of adults suffer from bruxism. You know that weird feeling you have in the morning? You're tired, sore jaw, that chronic morning headache, that earache that comes and goes for no apparent reason. Bruxism could be the cause, and you can stop these problems right now. Just click on the orange Add to Cart button that you see below this video and put an end to these annoying problems that are associated with bruxism. Also, this product is in a downloadable format. You will get instant access to this product after you join. This means in 2 minutes from now, you can discover how to completely stop grinding your teeth. Because I'm so confident you're going to love my program, I'm offering a complete 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't find success with my tips, if you don't stop or reduce your teeth grinding at night, please email me for a full refund. This is how confident I am that these methods work. Here's another comment I have received from a former bruxism sufferer. I appreciate the effort you have put in to help us bruxers. To be honest, I put off joining your program because I didn't want to waste any more money, but now that I've got the results I've been looking for, I am very excited. Only 2 weeks into your course, and I'm seeing a huge improvement. Now, you have 2 choices. Order now and finally stop grinding your teeth. Remember, this is backed by a full money-back offer. Or close this page and continue to put up with the jaw aches, the sensitive teeth, and the headaches. It's your choice. But if you're ready for a change, click the Add to Cart button that's directly below this video right now, and I'll see you on the inside.